Hello everyone, I'm Jane, the ultimate Filipina, and today's video I will show you the port of Olango Island. So from Mactan, New Town, you just walk for 10 minutes, especially if you stay in Belmont or Savoy Hotel. It's just very near. So you just walk to slum area to port. So just very near. So the first trip to Olango Island is 3 a.m. in the morning. And you can buy the ticket also there in the port. So you don't need to buy online because it's just very near and you don't need to long queue. No long queue because not a lot of passenger. So and the transportation was 80 pesos for Choway and 15 minutes travel to Olango Island. As you can see in the video, it's not crowded, the ferry, because they will depart every 15 minutes. That's why not a lot of people. So as you can see in the video, the kids having fun too while playing the water because now it's school holiday here in the Philippines. So that's beside is Mactan, New Town, the private beach. So it's just nearby. So you can see the private beach is very clean and amazing. So by the way, while I'm walking, I saw again another resort. The name is Reef Resort Mactan, but it's not finished yet. They're still constructing. So you can see there's another hotel and another resort also there. So in the Mactan is a lot of resort. So you have option